Looking to experience the essence of India without leaving your home? Craving food that's 100% natural while staying true to its authentic flavors? Try IndicRoots.in and rediscover the flavors of your roots, sourced directly from farmers, prepared by experienced chefs using curated Indian recipes, dried using advanced dehydration techniques. Lightweight, eco-friendly packaging. Easy to carry and ready to eat in just 3 minutes. Wondering how to shop from abroad? Simply order from Indic Roots and ship worldwide with Shoppre. Watch to learn more.
Sign up with Shoppre.com using your email address or your Google account. Once you sign up, you will reach the dashboard where you can find your virtual Indian address. Please note that you can use this address to shop from any Indian e-commerce store while you are staying outside of India. There is also a unique number at the bottom of the address which is solely for delivery purposes and cannot be used to sign up on any of the shopping sites. Open your preferred Indian e-commerce store and add the desired products to your cart.
Now, you can copy paste the Indian virtual address that we have provided onto the checkout page. Make sure to thoroughly add all elements of the address provided by us, such as line 1, line 2, landmark, city, state, pin code, etc.
You can order multiple products if you'd like. Your package will be delivered to our warehouse and stored in the locker section of your dashboard, allowing you to create a shipping request. Once your shipping request is accepted, we consolidate all your products into one package, if you have more than one, and send you a payment link. You can choose your preferred payment gateway and take advantage of any applicable offers. Track your shipment and expect to receive it within 3 to 6 business days. For pricing details, you can check the URL in the description box, which redirects you to our shipping calculator. Happy shopping!